Please welcome Sriti Jha.
Like versus love, case number 42. Because clearly, 42 is the answer to all the questions of life, universe, and everything. It's better to like than to love, it's just the fact. No, don't even try, there is no denying that. So I was in love once, and I am not too proud because like is comfortable company, love is too much of a crowd. My story is that once upon a time, I was in love with puchkas. It's not a great love story. We were just a pair of lukas. So because I loved puchkas, nothing else would do. I rejected golgappe, pani puri. I rejected gupchup too. And I am nice to everyone. I was nice to everyone except for these beautiful things. I accept I was a chart elitist to these innocent chart beings. Love demands monogamy. Love demands the one. I abhorred such discrimination. I was truly, really done. And then I thought, this like is for every being. Charts, pets, and people. दिमाग की बत्ती जल गई, मिल गया Newton's apple. So then I took to like and saw my life completely changed. Now I could like all chart beings equally, never to be estranged. And there wasn't a breakup really, because like isn't fussy about anniversaries, has no beginning, middle, or end. Love is so passe, guys. Like is here to trend. Love is all finicky about forever and infinity. In like doesn't bind time like that. In like, time is free. अब इससे आगे कुछ नहीं, इसके बाद कुछ नहीं, इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, अजी ये बात सच नहीं. और इश्क आग का दरिया है, डूब के जाना है, बस कीजिए मिस्टर, ये सब मैसोकिज्म का बहाना है. आग में डूब के मर के वापस कोई नहीं आता है. हॉक्रक्सेस इस दुनिया में सिर्फ वोल्डेमॉर्ट ही बनाता है. That brings my next point, that love is an extremist. Love is right wing. Like is liberal. Like is true left wing. And if I ask you to pick, what would you really choose? If you pick love, I'll make you face the news. See, dekha, extremist about my liberal like. See how cool it is. I don't even need to pick a side. Love can't compete with this. And we're not getting rid of love, so don't get sad, because we still like you, love. But as a noun, not verb, because British boys who like me can still call me love. And like, love, is she even legit when she's not wrapped up in poetry? And even there is a hidden like when to a summer's day they compare thee. And they made for her love, she's so dramatic, they made a whole song for her, Ishq Wala Love. And they put every simile in there, every Urdu word they could shove. And like, you'll never find a song called Pasand Wala Like, because like is busy. Like is busy mending your love tormented psyche. Because like is empowered, guys, refusing to be objectified. She is no facsimile, she's an account verified. And what the hell is this? Is this a potato, an amoeba? This love's so difficult to do. And you could like anything, just a thumbs up would do. You could like to move it, move it. You could like big butts and you don't have to lie. You can like it, and you can like it like that. So therefore, this house believes, it believes one and all, when they say it is better to have liked and it is all right to have never loved at all.
You just saw this video. If you like it, then you must share it. You should also physically like it, and you should subscribe to the channel. And if you really, really like it, then tap the bell icon and we'll tell you when we are putting up with the next video.